If I'd have to count how many times we have been to Spain, I would not be able to remember all of our trips. There were so many, but surprisingly enough, we have not seen the capital city yet. It's time to go to Madrid. We are in Madrid for just a couple of days and this is our first day. We found this really nice place. It's called Terraza Atenas. I'm hoping that I'm pronouncing that right. And they have these little pools where you can just drink coffee or drink mojito, dip your feet and refresh yourself before the next part of the day. We are here in October and Madrid gets really hot, even though it's technically in autumn. I guess it's hot during the whole year. And our hotel, it has quite a loud AC in it and it doesn't have any pool, but the hotel next door, it has a pool right outside of our window. And to be honest, I think I can climb it, huh?
Today, we're spending half a day in El Retiro Park here in Madrid. It's one of the biggest and definitely the most beautiful park in Madrid.
For me, Madrid is quite surprising because I did not expect so many large buildings. I thought for some reason that it's going to be small and cute, I guess because I live in Amsterdam right now, but it's huge. About an hour away from Madrid, there is Toledo. And because it's so close, it is the perfect day trip. It is the former Spanish capital before Madrid.
Madrid has a really efficient metro system covering the whole center, and the internet in the metro is much better than in the street.